In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Etsy store banner. Your banner is one of the first things shoppers see when they land on your shop, so updating it is a simple way to refresh your brand and make a strong first impression. Let's start by heading to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your Etsy account, then go to your Shop Manager. This is your main control center, where you manage orders, listings, and of course, your shop appearance. Give the page a moment to load so everything shows up properly. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the top area where you can see your profile. Next to your profile, you'll see a small shop icon. Go ahead and click on that shop icon. This takes you from the back-end view into your public shop area, but with editing options available so you can customize how your shop looks to visitors. On your shop page, you'll see a button that says Edit Shop. Click on Edit Shop to enter editing mode. When you're in this mode, you'll notice that different sections of your shop, like your banner and shop title, become editable, often with little icons hovering over them. Now, move your mouse over your current banner at the top of the page. You should see a small pen or pencil icon appear directly on the banner. This is the Edit button for your banner. Click on the pen icon to open the banner editing options. If you already have a banner in place that you want to remove or completely replace, you'll see a bin or trash icon as part of these options. Click on the bin to delete your existing banner. Don't worry, this only removes the banner image. It won't affect your listings or any other shop settings. After removing the old banner, you'll see an option that says Add an Image. Click on Add an Image, and then choose the banner file from your computer or device. For best results, use a clear, high-quality image that fits Etsy's recommended banner dimensions, and make sure important text or logos are centered so they're not cut off. Once your new image has uploaded and you're happy with how it looks in the preview, scroll if you need to and click on Save. This step is crucial. Your changes won't go live until you save them. After saving, refresh your shop page to double check how your new banner appears to visitors. And that's it.